Hey guys, it's Rainbow Runner, and welcome back to an episode of Railfanning. Today is June 4th of 2024. We're here at Lindsay again. I think it's been a little bit since I filmed at Lindsay, but yeah, an outbound train is on its way. I think, pardon me, sorry. I think it's passing Elliott Road right now. I can see some aircraft right there. Okay, so yeah, I will admit, like oftentimes, like in a lot of my more recent rail fannings, I haven't filmed at too many different locations. But yeah, I think the train's passing the canal right now. Anyways, these gates will activate any second now. I can hear the locomotives. All right. The gates are lowering. Right there was revving the engine, and I heard like the pop out of the exhaust pipe. Well, this train is definitely moving quick. There was that very long streak of autorack cars. And there was that car. It looks like it's an Infiniti. All right, well, the gates have risen and turned off. I actually saw like a little bit of the wind and stuff that was forming as a result of the passing cars, but there should be an inbound train actually coming through early or later. I actually heard this from Austin. All right, well, since this train's moving pretty quickly, I guess I will let you guys watch as the gates at Warner Road finish. Hopefully I got the camera steady enough. Anytime you guys want to raise Warner Road, okay, I think they are right now. Yes, they are. All right, Warner's gates have turned off, so. All right, well, I guess I'll stick around and see if maybe there's that inbound train that Austin was talking about coming through. So I guess I'll see you guys soon. Rainbow Runner heading out.